Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today, for the ITRSXCEL course, we'll dive into the world of Excel references and mastering the art of inputting data into spreadsheets. Whether you're new to Excel or looking to sharpen your skills, understanding these fundamentals is essential for working efficiently with your data. But what are Excel references?
Before to tell you what a cell reference is, I need you to understand a bit more about the Excel interface. In Excel, a spreadsheet is made up of a grid of cells arranged in rows, horizontal, and columns, vertical. Columns are labeled vertically from left to right with letters starting with A, B, C. Each column represents a vertical line of cells within the spreadsheet. Rows are numbered horizontally from top to bottom starting with 1, 2, 3. Each row represents a horizontal line of cells across the spreadsheet. Excel references are like coordinates. They are the combination of the letter of the column where the cell is and the number of its row. Same like in chess. For example, in exercise 3, in task 1, the reference of the yellow cell is B5, the orange cell is in B7 and the green cell is in B9. The references help us locate and interact with specific cells within our spreadsheets. To enter data inside a cell, we just need to select the cell with the mouse or with the keyboard. To access the cell quicker, we can use the reference box. We type the cell reference and we press enter. Automatically, our green cursor box will go directly to that cell and we can start typing our data. Let's try the reference box. Write B5 and press enter.
Thanks, Eve. Very good. The cursor box went in B5. It looks easier than I thought.
Let's start then. Follow my instructions. Open the spreadsheet, then go to task 1 by clicking on the link. On the side we have the instructions. Let's follow them and enter the text as shown in the instructions texts. Using the reference box, go into cell B5 and press enter. The cursor will go inside the yellow cell. Now, enter 3.14159264. Exactly like this, and don't worry about what the cell shows. Now, go into cell B7, which is the orange cell. Then enter the 4th of March 2002. At last, go into cell B9, which is the green one, and enter again the 4th of March 2002. We need to review the answers. Click into Show Answers on the top right, in cell I1. Let's see the results.
The first one is correct. The cell B5 is formatted to show only 3 decimal places. The second is also correct. In cell B7, Excel recognizes this is a date, and stores and formats it in a standard date way. Our answer in B9 is wrong because Excel recognized again this is a date and forced the date formatting. But how can we just enter it as a text?
The quickest way is to preface the text with an apostrophe. Let's complete the extra task, number 4. Using the reference box, go in cell B20. Write the phone number 07567890898. What's happened?
The 0 disappeared. Why?
Numbers cannot start with a 0. We need to format the cell as text. Again, the quickest way is to preface the text with an apostrophe. Now go in cell B21 and write the phone number, but this time starting with the apostrophe.
Yay! This time is right, thanks Eve.
You are welcome, Jay. So, let's recap. Cell references are vital for creating formulas, linking data across sheets, and ensuring accuracy in our calculations. A cell reference is the coordinate of our cell. Same like playing chess. To find the cell, we look for the letter of the column and we go down in the grid until we find the right row number. Our cell is in the intersection between the column and the row references. Checkmate. Now click on the cell A1 to go to the home page. You can access the other 2 tasks from there. I will give you an overview and you will complete these tasks on your own. You can check the answers by clicking on Check Answer on the top of the spreadsheet. In Task 2, you need to enter inside the table the information provided in the text boxes. Box 1 is for the numbers column starting from cell B5. Box 2 is for dates in column C, and box 3 is for names in column D. When entering the names, make sure you capitalize the name using the Shift key plus the letter. This will make the letter capital. Only the initial of the name and of the surname must be capital. When you finish, check the answers by clicking on Show Answers. If you've done it correctly, all information inside the table will be green. In Task 3, you need to enter each number provided in the right cell. Once the data is entered, the spreadsheet on both tasks will check your work. If you entered the numbers in the wrong cell, the text will be highlighted in red. Go back and amend it. When you have done, click on Home and go to the next task. There you go. Well done everyone, amazing work. References and data entry are the fundamental of Excel, so please keep practicing until you feel confident.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.